to the Awsome channel. As you can see in my hand, this is the MI beard trimmer which I ordered it from the Amazon and which cost me around 1099 in the Amazon sale, and I just now received this. So let's start the unboxing and see how it looks. I already opened the top. I was cutting with the scissor, and now you can see inside this. Okay, just let me take this out of the box, and inside this you can see there is a user manual. We'll see this later on, and let's see what inside the box. Okay, so here we have the trimmer. Okay, so here is the trimmer, and let's see what else inside the box. You can see the one comb here, the comb setting. There's one USB, and one more. There is the pouch as well, means for the carry. You can just put it and you can tie this knob and you can carry it easily on an this is the brush for the cleaning. Let's see how the trimmer is. So this is the trimmer with the setting from 1 to 10, you can see, and this what it goes. So to take this out, first we need to put it on the number 10, the maximum setting of the trimmer, and we need to pull it out from here. So this is what it comes, and here the stainless steel, the premium look, what I can see, the build quality is also seems nice, and the blade is quite sharp. So if this is the button, so you can operate. If you can hear the noise, and here is the charging cord, and this also for the cleaning. You can also take this out and you can see the normal in every trimmer you can see this, and this how to put it back. You just need to put this on the same place and you can just adjust it here. This is what it goes. And for the battery backup, if I can say, they suggest that on the 90-minute cordless use after the charging, and the charging it takes around what they mentioned on the website, that is 2 hours. On the full charge of the 2 hours, it give you the backup of 90-minute uses. However, I have not tested it yet, and I will test it and I will share you the feedback after this. They also provide the 1-year warranty on this product. However, they have been rated this as a waterproof, water resistant. You can put a normal wash, but I recommend not to put the water inside here, as is the power socket. And here's the USB cable, how it looks like. I just need to take this out, and this is quite in long uses. Just let me plug in, and let's see, there is an indicator for this while charging. Okay, I just put this side, and you can see the 3 indicators being charging, means the 2 point is being charged and the last point is getting charged. And I just press the button while charging and it's working. So I need to check, because they recommended it not to use while the charging. However, it's working. You can see I press the button and it's started working, it's vibrating. Might be this is charged, that is the reason it is working, but I'm not sure. Once I will completely discharge, and I will try to do that. And in the user manual, there's all the settings, all the uses, how to put that, and what are the settings. You can go through this, and there's nothing much on to describe, but the build quality, I must say, it's look quite premium, and it's not very heavy, and you can easily carry it single-handed, and the settings are easy. You just need to put it this comb here, and you can put the settings from 10 to 1, and this how it works. There is one more for the another setting. You can choose as per your requirement. And there is one more thing which I forgot about this, that is there is a travel lock. You need to press this for 3 seconds, and it will be under the travel lock. So you can see that. So while travel is by mistake the button it gets pressed. So see, I'm pressing this, it will not start. So to come up, means to off the travel lock, when you need to use, you just need to do the same thing, press the button for 3 seconds and it will start vibrating. And you can see You can hear the noise if you can see, I'm not sure. So there is one feature which is the best, which I like, means for the travel lock, for an trolley or in a bag, by mistake the button gets pressed, will start working, so you don't need to worry about it. So overall I found it good. It's quite handy, quite premium look, all the metal build, I liked it. And the safety feature is also good for the traveling and all, and there is a pouch which I found it very much comfortable for the traveling. And I think this would be the best one for this budget. I think after sale, when the sale is not there, it's costed around 1100 or max 1200 on the MI website. So you can go for it if you need only for the beard. But this is not for all the things, but yes, you can go for the beard for any of the shape which you like. I hope you guys have been enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.